Understanding Bookmark This Moment, a guide to memorable phrases in English. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, bookmark this moment. Understanding phrases like this can add depth to your language skills and help you express complex ideas more naturally. So, let's get started and explore what it means to bookmark a moment in English. The phrase, bookmark this moment, is a metaphorical expression that originates from the act of placing a bookmark in a book to mark your place. When used in conversation, it means to remember a particular moment very clearly or to highlight a time worth remembering. This could be because the moment is significant, happy, life-changing, or even just personally meaningful. Bookmark this moment can be used in various contexts, such as in personal celebrations, milestones, or during significant life events. For example, if you're at a friend's wedding, you might say, "Let's bookmark this moment," to suggest that this is a time to remember and cherish. It can also be used during less formal but meaningful moments, like achieving a personal goal or experiencing a beautiful sunset. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some sentences using bookmark this moment. 1. As we stood on the mountaintop, I whispered to myself, bookmark this moment, for it's the culmination of our hard work and determination. 2. This is a major milestone in our project. Let's bookmark this moment and celebrate our success. 3. I want to bookmark this moment in my heart forever. It's not every day you get to meet your hero. These examples show how the phrase can be used to express the significance of a moment in various situations. Understanding and using phrases like bookmark this moment can greatly enhance your proficiency in English. These expressions add color to your language and help you convey emotions and thoughts more vividly. They also make your speech more engaging and relatable, which is crucial in both personal and professional communication. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, bookmark this moment. We hope this video has helped illuminate how such expressions enrich your English language skills and enable you to communicate more effectively. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expressing the depth of human experiences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to bookmark this video for future learning. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.